Bazala, and shout out to Bazala, Stella, Moldovan, and another big shout out to all my classmates from Eagle French School. So Bazala, you Bazala, Stella, Moldovan, you asked me to show you how to do cupcakes. These things are very simple, very simple. So all you need your flour, which is already mixed. So for mine, I mixed it with chocolate flavor, and then you need a cup because it's a cupcake, and then you need a scissor, and then you need a plastic bag. It's very simple, So what you do, you take the plastic, you put it in the cup, because you don't want the cup to steal your cake, because you see, you have to share it with a cup. So for me, because I'm stingy when coming to food, I don't want to share my cake with a cup. So you put your plastic, you mix it, you fix it like this, Tu vois? Because this one is for cupcake, so you need to be prepared to share with a cup, or to be prepared to just separate your relationship with a cup by putting the plastic. And then you take the flour, you put inside, So you put inside like this. You can use your fingers, It's not a problem at all. Use your fingers, you put. Voila, and then you do it like this, because it must be good filled up. And then you put small. Voila. Okay, you leave it like this, and then from here you're going to do like this, so that the plastic is good. Yeah, you do like this. You see? And then you tie it here. Voila. So you tie it here, and then you fix it, and then the scissor, you cut it, and then like this Bazala, you just put in the micro oven, because you wanted to know how to do it in the micro oven. It's very simple, you see, like this. You see? Tu vois Bazala, Donc tu mélanges la farine ici, et puis tu mets ce que tu veux. Tu peux mettre le chocolat ou bien la crème ou ce que tu veux, Et puis après, tu mets dans la tasse, tu mets le mélange que tu as déjà fait, et puis tu attaches comme ça. C'est simple, Et puis tu mets dans le micro-ondes, tu attends un peu, et puis tu regardes, tu attends un peu, tu regardes, et puis c'est prêt, tu manges. Ça finit. Oui. So now we're gonna put it in the micro oven and wait a little bit and check and wait and check and wait and check until it's ready to be eaten. This is the best cupcake you can ever find, because like this one, you see, voila. Voila. You see? You see how beautiful? You see? And then like this, you see, it's very nice and strong. What you need is just some cream, and then you put small. Voila! You see, Bazala. You see, it's finished, So Bazala style Moldovan, go and just make your cupcakes, and just don't be stingy with the cream, because it goes very well, with the cupcake. So you go and put and you eat. Even you, my classmates at Icle, you go and try this recipe. It's very nice. And then after you will see the ingredients that I used. Okay, ciao. Bazala, here are the ingredients that I used to achieve these delicious pancakes and cupcakes. So if you also have something in your fridge, don't be scared to just pack it and give it to somebody who need it most, you see, because this is the results of people who are stingy to give, and they hold on to things they don't need, and then this is what happens. You understand? So me, I am a dustbin digger, and that's how I find them. It's not nice, it's not beautiful, and it's not sexy. So this is what I used, Bazala. You see, this bread. Someone kept this bread for a long time without eating, and then they throw it away. But this one, the chewing gum, is for me because I eat it for a long time. So for now, it's like 3 months I eat it. So now I will use it. I used it to do the pancake, and it's very nice. It's the one that give the thing, like you see. And then I used also the chocolate mousse. You see, it has expired on the 21st of September. You see, I've used also the cheese, and also it has expired since April 27th. You see, this is not normal, And then I also used margarine. You see, and the margarine is also expired since the 25th of September. You see, it's not normal. So I've also used the salad dressing to make it even nicer. This has expired on the 31st of March. People are keeping things, you see. So Bazala, if you have anything in your fridge you don't need, don't be scared, don't be stingy. Take it, put it in a plastic, go and give it to somebody who needs it. Okay, Bazala, ciao.